Greetings world. We are Anonymous. Our attention now stems to CNN legal analyst Orlando attorney Marco O'Mara. CNN news dubbed as fake news by President Donald Trump seems to be the appropriate allegations. They failed to expose the truth, and when attempt to do so, they twist stories with political agenda. Attorney Marco O'Mara has been on high-profile cases including the George Zimmerman saga that never ends. Zimmerman shot Trayvon Martin and was found innocent. This has created a civil rights movement upon his exoneration in July of 2013. Former attorney James P. Woods of Orlando was Marco O'Mara's spokesman on the case. Marco O'Mara represented James P. Woods in a disbarment hearing in 2006. Woods had a cocaine problem but was taking on cases while suspended to practice upon his treatment. James P. Woods was paid to take on a case in Lee County, Florida in 2006 while a citizen was being kidnapped on fabricated evidence, a closed case pursuant to statutory law. Vincent C. Manillo, formerly of the Cape Coral Police Department and father of Vanessa Manillo, fabricated and falsified police reports in which the 20th Circuit courts covered up for a violation of injunction. This officer, who later worked for Lee County Sheriff Mike Scott in aviation, also hacked and sent this citizen threats via email. Woods entered the Lee County, Florida jail knowingly suspended and took money to represent this citizen. Woods was an up-and-coming attorney until his drug problems got in his way, and he was highly aware of this cover-up. Woods was not to be found after 2 visits to the Lee County, Florida jail in August and September of 2006. Complaints were filed to Lee County, Florida Sheriff Mike Scott and the state attorney's office. The citizen was told by the jail he must have shown a fake badge to get in. Family attempted to have James P. Woods arrested by Sheriff Mike Scott's office but were told it was a civil matter. Marco O'Mara has seen this evidence, and has had knowledge of this conspiracy for a very long time. The federal violations of law by the entities of the 20th Circuit courts obligated him to report these criminal acts to proper authority pursuant to rules regulating the Florida bar. The order disbarring James P. Woods from the Florida bar intentionally avoids the criminal act in Lee County, Florida to help cover up for the 20th Circuit courts of the state attorney Stephen B. Russell. It would be a crime to take money as a suspended attorney and then enter a jail under misleading circumstances. CNN news and legal analyst Marco O'Mara has now become a witness of federal violations of law and conspiracy in Lee County, Florida. Any attempt of rebuttal by O'Mara of CNN will be fake news. Waterman Broadcasting and NBC2 News in Fort Myers, Florida are guilty of collusion with Sheriff Mike Scott, in an attempt to help conspire and cover up his wrongdoings in order to not expose his issues with drug cartel involvement. We are anonymous. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.